Good morning, dear. Good morning, dear kids. Today we are going to have a session of practice on the topic noun. As we had in the last session, I explained the topic noun. That nouns are naming words, name of a place, name of a person, name of a thing, and name of an animal. Again, I'm repeating. Name of a place, nouns are naming words, name of a place, name of a person, name of a thing, and name of an animal. So today we are going to have a practice session. Today we will do practice from examination point of view, like how the questions come on the topic in the exams, finding out nouns. So today we are going to do a practice. Like here is question number 1. The question is, find out the noun and circle it. Here in every box I have given some words, like this is row 1. In one row I have given 4 words, and out of these 4 words you have to find one noun and you have to circle it. So let us start with today's practice. Let us see the first row. In first row, the first word is go. Second is I. Third is the. And fourth is Tom. Go is not a noun. It is not a place, not a person, it is not name of anything. Then I is again not a noun. The is again not a noun. But Tom, the word Tom is a noun. Why? Because it is a name. Tom is a name of a boy. You can see, you can read this name in few of the stories also, in storybooks, and you can see this name on TV also. So Tom is a name of a person. So Tom, here I have circled it with green pen. That is Tom. Tom is a noun. It is a name of a person. So let us move to the second row. In second row we have again some words. 4 words are given to you. The first one is we. We is not a name. Mother. Yes, mother is a name. I hope you all are answering also. Mother is a name. Why mother is a name? It is a name of a person, because it is a name of a person. It is a noun. Like we all have mothers and we call them by the name of mother. आप घर पे हो, suppose you are hungry, you want to have something. आप किसको बुलाओगे? You will not going to say कि I want some food, who will cook? You will call your mother, because you have got a name for your mother. So we call, हम सब अपनी मम्मा को क्या बोलते हैं? We call her mother or mama. So mother is a noun and I am going to circle it. So mother is a noun. It is a name of a person. She is not a noun. It is not name of anything. Have is again not name of anything. This is a helping verb. So again, let us do number third row. The first word is run. Run means bhagna, you all know. So run is not a noun. किसी का name नहीं है. Then class. Yes. Think about that. Class. Yes, class is a noun. Why? Because class is a place. Class is a place where we go and sit in our school and where we study. Class mein you go to your school and you have a specified class, you have a specific class, you go to your class, you sit with your friends and do studies. So class is a naming word. It is a name of a place. Sleep. No, sleep is not a name. You. No, you is not a name. Now let us move towards number 4th row. Number 4 is, the first word is cat. Yes, cat. Tell me. Hope you are giving answers also. Cat. Cat is a naming word. Yes. Why? Because cat is name of a place. No, it is not a place. Person, thing, animal. Cat is an animal. So cat, we are going to circle cat. Cat is an animal. Cat is an animal. He, no. Walk, no. Chalna is not a name. Speed, no. This car is moving at a speed. So speed is not a name. Name nahi hai. So here cat is the noun and I have circled it. Now in the fifth row, the first word is laugh. Laugh means hasna, that you all know, laugh. So laugh is not a noun. Bat, Think about that. Bat. Imagine the thing. What is bat? Use your brain. Bat. Bat is a noun. Why? Is it a place? No. A person? No. Thing? Yes. Bat is a thing. So I'm going to circle it. Bat is a noun and bat is the name of a thing. Which thing is this? This is a bat is a thing which we use to play cricket, which we use to hit the ball. So bat is a name of a thing and bat is a noun. So I have circled it. Cry matlab rona? No. Cry is not a name. I is again not a name. So this is first question on the practice of noun. Now we are going to do one more question. This was it was in rows. 4 words were given in one row, but these were not sentences. In the next session, in the question number 2, we are going to have a practice of noun in the sentences. Let me open this. Yes. Now here you all can see I have underlined the question with the red pen. Question number 2 is underline one noun in each sentence. Here 4 sentences are given to you. Number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. 4 sentences are given to you and in every sentence there is one noun. In every sentence there is one noun and you have to underline that noun. You have to underline that noun. So now let us begin. Number 1 is I have a book. I have a book. मेरे पास एक book है. In this, which is a noun? In this sentence, which is the noun? I know. किसी का name I तो नहीं होता है. Have, no. No. These are not names. Book, yes. Book is a noun. किसी का name है. Like I am having one book with me. You can look at this book. It is a book. And the name of this book is Nursery Rhymes, Copy and Color. So this is a book. So here we can say that I have a book. In this sentence only one is noun and that is book. So now we are going to underline it. Book is a noun. Why? Because it is a name of a thing. Book is a thing. Book is a thing. A thing which we use to study, which helps in our studies. So in this sentence I have underlined book because book is a noun. Now question number 2. This boy is tall. This boy is tall. This is not a name. It is not a place. It is not a person. It is not a thing. It is not an animal. Boy. Think about this. Boy. Boy is a naming word or not? Think about that. Yes, boy is a naming word. So I am going to underline it. Why boy is a naming word? Why it is a naming word? Because जितने भी boys हैं, we call them boy. There is a name. Boys and girls, we differentiate. हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि this is a boy, this is a girl? We all know. But how do we call them? हमें पता है कि वो boy है, वो girl है. Then what we do? We say he is a boy and she is a girl. So boy is a noun. All the boys, we have a specific name for them, that is boy. So boy is a noun and I have underlined it. And boy is a name of a person. Boy is a person. This boy is tall. Tall is not at all a noun. So boy is a noun and I have underlined it. In number 3rd sentence, let us read the 3rd one. They have 3 cars. They is a noun? No, they is not name. ये कोई place नहीं है, कोई person नहीं है, कोई thing नहीं है, कोई animal नहीं है. Have, again have is not a noun. 3, no, 3 is a number. It is not a noun. 3 is a number. We all do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in maths. So 3 is a number. It is not a noun. Car, yes, cars. I am going to underline it. Cars is a noun. Why? Because car is a thing. Car is a vehicle which we use to go from one place to another. So car is the name of a thing. So car is a noun. I have underlined it. Next, number 4th sentence. Dog is very helpful. We all know dog is a very helpful animal. So here in this sentence, dog, think about that. Dog is an animal, yes, and name of animal is always a noun. So dog is a noun because dog is an animal. Dog is very helpful. Is not a noun. Very is not a noun. Helpful is not a noun. These are not nouns, but dog is a noun because dog is name of an animal. Dog is a name of an animal. So I have underlined it with the green pen that dog is an animal. So dog is a noun. So this was all about the topic noun. We had just done a practice on how to find out noun. Same type of questions you can find in the exams also. A sentence is given to you and you have to find out the noun. Some rows or some words are given to you and you have to find out the noun, underline it or circle it. So this is your homework also for today. We are sending you one worksheet. It is regarding the same topic. You have to find out the nouns. It is my request that kindly try to read the sentence by yourself. It is my request to the parents also. Please do not read the whole sentences for your kids. Do not read all the words for your kids, but make them read by themselves and just try to help them out only. Help them if they're facing any problems, but kindly try at your best that your kid is trying to read by himself or herself. Make them read by themselves. So this is homework for today. You have to underline or you have to circle the nouns and find out the nouns from the given words or from the sentences. We will be sending you one worksheet on the same topic. So it was all about the topic noun. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.